Who like building a snowman we do, but what happens if the snow is too deep and the wind is too strong? That is a blizzard. Hello everyone, welcome for this our diorama about a blizzard and heavy snow. A blizzard is a severe snowstorm with very high wind that makes it hard to see anything. We are here to show you what it looks like and how to stay safe.
Look at all the snow. We use styrofoam to show how deep the snow gets. Heavy snow can pad up into big snow drifts. During a blizzard, the wind is super strong. The wind blows the snow around. Then it caught a fire. It means you can barely see where you are going. You definitely don't want to drive up or play outside in this condition.
Heavy snow cover everything. See how the house is. Heavy snow on the road. Remember to look at temperatures and sometimes the can by the way of the snow. Look at the road. It's covered and icy. That's why the little truck might have trouble driving.
If there's a come, we have to stay safe. The best thing to do is stay warm inside your house. If your parents need to go out, they should always wear a warm coat, hat, and mitten. In conclusion, our diorama shows that blizzards are beautiful, but also powerful and dangerous. Thank you for learning about blizzards.
សាលារៀនអន្តរជាតិ Kham Top ផ្ដល់សេវាកម្មអប់រំប្រកបដោយគុណភាពគុណធម៌ឧត្តមភាពនិងជាជំរឿនដ៏ល្អបំផុតសម្រាប់បុត្រធីតាលោកអ្នកសូមអរគុណ